So this room is done. See, the windows clean. It's clean on the AC vent over there too. Here, all clean out. They're doing some work, so that's why all this stuff is on the floor. This windows right here also cleaned out nicely. So right there. I don't even know what's in there. And then it's a sliding door. So it's little plastic and stuff. We took all the plastic off from that. So the sliding door. And then in this bathroom, clean the tiles. This tiles was covered with residue from, messy construction. So we had to take all that off. We had a lot of pencils. So we removed the pencils. So majority of it is removed. So let me show you. When you look here, you see this? So this has to be taken care of. Right? That's post-construction cleaning, detail cleaning, right? See this? We gotta take that off. Right? So one thing is, when you pass your hand on surfaces, it has to be smooth. Excuse me. When you pass your hand on surfaces, it has to be smooth, right? You can't have nothing on the surface. This right here has to be taken off too, that right there. Pencil marks. So, yeah, all the pencil marks on top of this is cleaned out, right, nicely. Pencil marks all over the place. So that got it clean. This, we steam clean the glass, we steam clean the tiles, so it's sanitized, right? But yeah, so this is done. This right here, clean out nicely. Got to do a little touch up over there. This really needed a lot of touch up because it's just the type of the level of quality that we're dealing with. So, but yeah, everything inside is cleaned out nicely. So just ready for people to move it. Toilets sanitized, right? Floors cleaned nicely. So, right here, see, they were supposed to take this off. If you have somebody working in your house, or if you're doing home renovation, right? And you come and you see they leave little marks like this, insist they take it off. Why? Because this things right here is going to cost you extra money that is not, you don't have to spend, right? So, because we get a lot of questions about why does it cost? Why does it cost? These are some of the things that make it cost, right? You don't just wipe down surfaces. That's definitely, take that out of your mind in post-construction cleaning. And a lot of people, it's post-construction cleaning. You don't wipe on surfaces. There's a lot to do. But yeah, we clean everything, that's messy. So they have to come and paint all the stuff again. But we cleaned all here, right? Inside the refrigerator. Have a little rust right here. We can't do much about it. But yeah, inside is cleaned out. This floor, they had a backup, right? So we had to disinfect the floor. So we had to disinfect the floor just to take the smell out of it, right? But all this is cleaned out. So first thing we did was disinfect the floor. After we disinfected the floor, we did from the top to the bottom. But because we had a flatten on the floor, the first thing that we did was disinfect the floor, improve the smell, take all the bacteria out of the air, and then we started from the top to the bottom. So that's the process of this laundry room. That's how we got it ready like this. So thanks for joining us. This is post-construction cleaning. Everything is done. The only thing that I'm left to do is just doing the little things that needs to be done like this. You know, so just taking the little things. That's what I am doing right now. But everything should be done, right? That's right here. Like, that's a basic contractor. When you walking around and you see your contractors doing that, check them, right? Let them know that, yo, it's gonna cost me money if you leave it like this, right? So, yeah. And then when we come here, the stairs is cleaned out. There's lights over here, so we clean the lights over there too. Wipe it down a little nicely. It's a tedious work. Clean all this. Took me. This is I started this on Wednesday. Normally I should be done in 2 days, but a day or two. But this just takes me longer because of how messy the thing is. So I'm here. Started on Wednesday. It's Monday, and we are still here doing the little things. You know, it's but that's why I'm talking about pricing and cost. So all this is cleaned out nicely, right? Inside here, nicely done, right? All this is cleaned out nicely. In here too, you see the windows cleaned out nicely, right? In here, same thing. All this are cleaned out. All this, everything is sanitized nicely, right? Little discoloration. Okay, that's nothing. Yeah, so all this is cleaned out. So, right, everything is done. The only thing left to do are the little things. There's some things over here that I have to touch up on. In here, everything in here is done. The door area, this is also done, right? Totally done. Here, I don't know if I show you, but there was some marks over there. We took all the numbers and stuff off, right? In here, it's wiped down nicely, clean top, bottom. So, just walking around making sure that my work is up to the standard that I want it to be. So one of the things that I'm doing right now is this bathroom, right? I'm taking all the pencil marks on the surfaces off, right? You can see, you can tell the difference right here. See this and this, so that's a solution on it, and this is so we just taking that off. So we're going around, and that's what we're doing, right? Using towels. I'm using a towel cleaner. So yeah, right? Hopefully this is helpful to you. In here, same thing. Inside the cabinets, totally cleaned out nicely, top to bottom. Same thing with the shades, lights, all that stuff cleaned out. So yeah, we coming out nicely. But yeah.